Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Notify Me when back in stock in Shopify. Let's get started. First, go to your Shopify App Store or you can access it in your website. Once you're here, go to Online Store. Once you're here, go to Apps. Then, click on App and Sales Channel Settings. Click Shopify App Store. Then, type in Back in Stock. Shopify will give you lots of options, so I will choose the one with free option. So I'll choose this one since it offers free option. Click on install. You will be directed in here. Before setting it up, click on install again. Once you installed it, you will be directed in here. Click on the terms of service, then click continue. Here, you can choose if you want to put a check on these four options. Since our topic for today is notify me when back in stock, I will choose the back in stock only. Then click continue. After that, click activate now. Now it will direct you to app embeds to enable notify me. Click on notify me, then click save. After that, go to exit. Now once you're in the dashboard area, click on the Apps section, Notify Me, on the left side of the screen. Once you're here, you need to choose the plan you want to go. Or you can continue with the free one. Scroll down and click Continue with Light Plan for now. Now all you need to do is set it up. Now it will show you step by step what you need to do. Just follow it. Click on See Reports. Then feel free to customize it. Here, you will see the step-by-step section. Just follow it to finish setting. After that, you're done. And that's it. That's how you add Notify Me when back in stock in Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.